Okay, let's use the quadratic formula as seen over here to solve this brilliant equation, x squared minus x minus 30 equals 0. So right away we are going to identify the a, the b, and the c for our function. And what is a equivalent to? Well, it's always equivalent to the number that multiplies the x squared, or the variable that is squared. In this case we have a hidden 1 over here, so a is 1. Every time we don't see anything, it's 1, right? b will be negative 1. There's also a negative 1 hidden over here. And c is negative 30. Okay, now we can get started. So the quadratic formula is negative b, so we can write negative b, and b is negative 1. So I want to put that in parentheses or in brackets, and the rest of the formula is plus or minus the root of b squared, so negative 1 squared, minus 4ac, so negative minus 4 times 1, because a is 1, right? And c is negative 30. Here we go. All over, and actually let me just make a straight line for our fraction over here. There we go. All over 2a. So 2 times 1. Okay, so now let's simplify everything. Minus negative 1, that's just positive 1, because the negative cancel out to make a positive. Then we get plus or minus the root of negative 1 squared is just positive 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 30 is positive 120. All over. 2 times 1 is just 2. Okay, now continue over here. We still have 1 plus or minus the root of 1 plus 120. So it's the root of 121. All over 2. Great. Now we have two solutions because we have plus or minus root of 121. And of course the square root of 121 is just 11. So now I'm going to break things down into two parts, right? The first one will be 1 plus 11 over 2. And the second solution will be just 1 minus 11 over 2. Okay, so 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Second answer, 1 minus 11 is negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2, negative 5. Okay, so here are our two answers, 6 and negative 5. So x is equal to negative 5 and 6. And at this point, of course, we're done.